guys, it's me again, Polen Music and Vlog. So it's another unboxing video. So let me show you. I've got free samples from Hamples.com in UAE. So I've got this one since November, I think, and I really forgot it. I really forgot to unbox. So let's do this. Anyway, if you want free samples from Hamples, just go to their website, hamples.com. So you can check their items. There are for free. There are for 1 dirham. There are like expensive ones. But yung mga pinipili ko lamang ay mga samples para hindi tayo gumastos. Ganun. Paano ba? So, I've got this big box. Let's see kung ano yung mga nilalaman. Ayan. Hamples, happy samples. Obviously. Ayan. Wait, how to open it here? We'll open it here. Ayan. Ta-da-da-dan! Oh, wow! Wow. What is this? Dr. Berkman Color and Dirt Collector. Free samples. So, basically, this is for washing clothes. Emirates macaroni noodle soup. Instant pasta. Kung ano binabasa ko. O, pinaghalo-halo nila ang food at so, this is for washing as well. Persil, free sample. Yan. So, magkano kaya ito? Around 2 dirhams, maybe? 3 dirhams. Another one is a sanitizing shower gel sachet from Guardex. Another one from Omo Sensitive Skin. Basically, this is for kids. Again, for washing clothes for kids. Clothes for the kids. Another one, razor from Chic. Razor, pang pang lalaki. This is for male. So, what is this? Okay. Another big bottle. Ano kaya ito? Hindi ko maalala kung ano yung mga pinagkukuha ko. From Jewelry. Oh, nice! Bathroom cleaner from Jif. Maganda tong brand na to, Jif. So, ayan. Wow, makamenos ako ng panlinis ng banyo, ng toilet. Ayan, oh. Malaki din siya. Kills 99.9% germs. Pag hindi namatay ang mga germs dun sa banyo namin. 750 ml. Oh, wow. This is a good sample, you know. Apart from... hindi, lahat-lahat gusto ko. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Hamples.com, for all the free samples. Ayan, lagay natin para kita nyo lahat at ating pipicturan para sa ating thumbnail. Ayan. O, diba? Ang binayaran ko lang to, actually, this is not really free because I paid for the shipping fee, which is 10 dirhams, I think. 10 dirhams. And this macaroni, I'll put it here. Ayan, yan siya lahat. Wow! So, ayan, thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Polen Music and Vlog, and it's all about random videos. One of those is this one, unboxing. Tinatamad na akong mag-content kung ano-ano na lang, guys. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching. Di pa ako naligo. Bye!